we do the 𝐶𝐤𝐵 position. The 𝐶𝐤𝐵 is explained as resting position. I'll show you a way how to exercise it. But the 𝐶𝐤𝐵 should be over the ground and sitting on the heel, okay? And the body by standing up is straight. So basically from this position, everybody please try it with me. We slowly turn into and go in the 𝐶𝐤𝐵. And now we try holding. Breathe naturally. Try holding, and if you're feeling vibration, that means we have some sort of training effect, because the small muscle fibers probably are vibrating from this position. Once you get used to the 𝐶𝐤𝐵 will be quiet and calm, like a resting position should be. So if you're feeling this vibration, you should definitely practice this exercise more often. So in training, your stances are more quiet. And so slowly go up with the body straight. And again, go in this position. Yes. Breathe slowly and try to fix the vibration with calm and long breathing. Long time breathe in. Long time breathe out, and the vibration should be more comfortable, more easy. So let's go up slowly again. We do it another 2 times. So slowly. Go back in 𝐶𝐤𝐵 and keep holding. Breathe normally. Slow breathing. Holding this vibration is most important. It's the reason, the purpose of this exercise. So try to keep the hands above ground and try to remain stable. So, go back, right side. And breathe slowly. Try relax. So slowly go up. Now we try 𝐸𝐵 position, like it is in the 𝐸𝐵. So we're standing like here, and we go turn in the left hand and the knee connect. The right hand is on the hip, like this. The body is straight, and both shoulders look here. Stand. You shouldn't shake. If you're shaking, you can ask yourself the question, why? But we have one important principle, that the shoulder and the knee push to the inside. So the knee push up, the shoulder push down, and then you're standing in calm position. There shouldn't be any type of shake, okay? So first, let's do the right side. Go in 𝐸𝐵 and breathe normally. The right hand is sitting on the hip and open. The left hand is supported by the right knee. Relax the shoulders and show me the position. Look to the right while you do it. The knee should be chest high. And body, shoulder, both shoulders are over here. Look at my shoulders. They're over here, right? Shoulders here. Understand? And stay quiet. All right, relax. And we try the other side. 𝐸𝐵. Now is the opposite. The left hand is supported by the hip, and the right knee supporting the right elbow is connected. The shoulders look to the left, and you're also looking to the left. keep the position. All right, try relax. Please, Luke, come here again. We try to hold 20 seconds each side. Okay? 倒立步，预备。1、
2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Sit down.
Relax a bit. Breathe slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. As you see, the tulipo position again is practicing these small fibers, yes, that control your calmness, and so you have less vibration and stay always in calm position. So when you're feeling it's vibrating and you have hard time to hold, you always try to keep the position as calm with oxygen. So it means you must regulate your breathing. If the breathing is good, the body can change too. So always try to relax and give yourself the space so the muscles can improve through the practice.
Repeat. Stop. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Sit down.
对着视频。
来，走。1、
Good.
2、
Spine straight, body straight.
5、6、
Yes.
7、
You can try to turn the lower back more.
9、
This way.
Yes. Lower back more, yes.
2、3、
Yeah, try to relax as much as possible.
6、7、8、9。
And the spine should be straighter.
Sit down. Go. 1、2、
Close the upper one and lower is open.
6、7、
Yes.
8、
You're feeling stretching.
10、2、3、4、
Over the hands, relax arms.
6、7、8、9、10. Sit down. Stop. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Sit down. Stop. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Sit down. 三、四、五、六、七、
Body straight,
八、九、十、
shoulder turn.
二、三、四、五、六、七、八、
Standing leg straight,
九、十。Sit down. 走。一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Sit down. 走。一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Sit down.
breathe slowly.
走。一、二、三、
Knee up,
四、
try to keep the position.
七、八、九、十、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。Sit down.
How much more? And? Good. I see everybody getting used more to the 𝐸𝐸, you know. The more we practice, the more quiet it will be. You know, in the 𝐯𝐸𝐼, the 𝐸𝐸 happens very fast, so we don't have much time to prepare. If you have trouble with 𝐸𝐸 and want to be more quiet, you can practice it like so to stay more calm in this type of position. Okay.